How to disable DMs on Instagram. Now, if you want to disable DM or redirect them from receiving their message request to not receiving them, all you have to do is to tap on your profile icon right here and click on the three lines on the upper corner. Now, once we're here, we just have to scroll down and search for messages and story replies right here. Now, you can just tap on message controls. Now, this is the section where you decide whether you want to receive message requests from certain people or you don't want to receive message requests and automatically direct them to your DMs. So let's say followers right here. You can choose whether you want to receive message requests from them when they first chat you or not receive any message requests when they chat you, so that it will automatically be visible to you when they chatted you. So let's say you want to go to message requests right here. Also on others on Instagram. You could also choose between message requests or don't receive message requests. So if you want to disable DMs on Instagram, all you have to do is to make sure that every aspect of these messages is settled on message request right here. So that's how to disable DMs on Instagram. Hope we helped.